My name is Dr. Aaron Mulvany. I'm Associate Professor in the Social Development and Policy Program at Habib University. I have been in Pakistan for 12 years working on curriculum development and university institution building with Habib University. And I think that the ongoing conversation about the importance of undergraduate education in Pakistan is one of the most important discussions that is ongoing within the context of higher education. I believe that IBA is doing a great service to undergraduate education here in Pakistan by leading these discussions because Pakistan represents a huge area for growth in not just innovation, but in economic and political development in the region and around the world. This wouldn't be possible without better, stronger, more robust undergraduate education structures. And so conversations like this, which will implicate both professional futures, graduate school futures, and the possible development in secondary and higher secondary education across the country, becomes one of the foremost ways that changes for better education structures within Pakistan can happen.